Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. So in the last video we discussed about the multiplicity of zeros of a polynomial. So today we are going to look at the graphs of a polynomial with multiple zeros. Okay, so let's see the shape of these graphs. As you can see, the first one is x plus 2 to the power 2. This is a polynomial, right? So this is in the factor form. So you have the factor. So at x equals negative 2, you have a 0, right? So the multiplicity of this 0 is how much? The power. Power is 2. So multiplicity of this 0 is 2, right? You know the shape of this graph, right? So if you draw this one, so it will be like this, right? So here is 0, 1 and 2 and 3. Here negative numbers, positive. So this is x-axis, this is your polynomial axis, and at x equals negative 2 you have a 0. That means your y value is 0 at x equals negative 2, right, of this polynomial. So you know this is a quadratic function, so you know the shape is like a parabola, and as you can see an is 1, so it is positive, right? So then it is opens upward, right? So it should be like this. The shape is like this. So as you can see, at x equals negative 2, your graph bounces off the x-axis, right? Bounces off. It bounces off at x equals negative 2, because the degree of this polynomial is what? Is 2. The degree of this polynomial is degree, which is n equals 2, right? So n is even, so this degree is even. So if you see a polynomial with an even degree, then at zeros your polynomial bounces off the x-axis like this, bounces off like this. Okay, let's see another example. So this is polynomial x minus 1 to the power 3. This is also in the factor form. So the your 0 is x equals 1, and the multiplicity equals 3, right? Power is 3 here. This is cubic polynomial, right? So the shape of this polynomial will be like this. At x equals 1, 2 and 3. So this polynomial at x equals 1, at this point you have a 0, right? If you substitute 1 for this, then your polynomial equals to 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So at x equals 1, your polynomial value is 0. And what will happen here, you have this power, this cubic polynomial. The degree is degree, which is n equals here 3, right? And at this point, you know this cubic polynomial, the shape is like this, right? Cubic polynomial shape is like this. So as you can see, at x equals 1, what happens? The graph appears to be flattened. It comes from here and it's flattened over here, and then again increasing. It's flattened at the x equals 1, at your 0, right? So it's flattened. So in this case, decrease what? This is odd, right? N is odd. So if your degree is even, the graph bounces off the x-axis at your 0, right? So if your degree is 2, sorry, degree is 3, and if the degree is odd, right, then your graph appears to be flattened at your zeros. right? Here 0 is x equals 1. Okay, so the summary is like this. If n is even, the graph bounces off the x-axis at x equals k. These are zeros. If n is odd, the graph appears to be flattened at x equals k. Okay, I hope you understand this one. If you have any questions, please comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.